Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use concatenate in Excel with space. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, the first name and last name. So here I'm going to join the both name by using the concatenate function. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the concatenate and select the concatenate functions. Then select the first text, okay, then use the comma, then select the second text and bracket close and enter. And here you see the both name is joined. Simply drag this formula below the cell and you can see the all name is joined together. Now here I am on space between two names. So simply double click on here. Remove this text number 2B2. Okay. And after the comma, use the double quote, space, double quote, comma, and select the second text. And just enter. You can see here the space is added between two names. Simply double click on the corner point of the cell and you can see the formula is copy paste below cell. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.